All right, next up, we're going to be talking about how to collect payments, add credit card information, create subscriptions, send invoices directly from the contact card. So if you're not familiar with how to get here, you're going to go over to contacts and you are going to select a contact that you want to work with. And that is how you get into the contact card. Now you'll notice that the invoice that we previously created is in here and it shows paid. We can view the invoice from here. But that's not what I want to talk about right now. I want to talk about how do you actually take credit card information directly in the contacts tab, start subscriptions, create payment links, and collect cash right now. So there's a couple of different ways that you can do this. One of them is you can send payment links. So you can request a payment and you can create, we can add an item and we can create multiple items and we can say test item or whatever item you want. You can change the currency and we can say that this is a $500 product. And we can say that the invoice is due on December 12th. Again, this is defaulting to 14 days, which were the settings that we did in the invoice settings prior. So let's change this to 1 week. And then you can do additional options. I'm going to put this in test mode. And you are going to preview the link. This is what is going to get sent. So by default, it is going to send an invoice looking payment link for them to pay. But because I'm in test mode, it's not there. So we're going to copy link and mark as sent. And this is a default text message that gets created when you do this. So this is now the payment link that can be sent out to this particular customer. So that's one way that you can do it. Now, this obviously doesn't leverage products that you have pre-created, but this is a great way that you can easily, quickly grab deposits by sending payment links through the system like this. Now, there's more. If you go over onto your right-hand side, you've got this little icon right here for payments. So we're going to click on payments and you'll see that, hey, there was a previous transaction here of $63.75 that was succeeded. And you can also view any subscriptions and subscription payments that have come through on any regular basis that you have with this customer. But what we're going to do is we're going to go to actions and we're going to go add a card on file. So if you're talking to a customer and they want to get started right away, you can add a new card on file and then we can add this in test mode or live mode or whatever you want to do here. So obviously if you're adding a real card, do live. If you're adding a fake card, do test. Let's go ahead and add that fake test card. So we're going to add the 424242 card right here, 225123 and random postal code and add card. So now this has added a card to the contact record, which we can now use to create invoices, send payments, charge now. So we're going to do the charge now option and we're going to say, hey, we're going to charge this customer $500 right now. And we're going to charge them in USD. Because we added a test card, we have to select test card here. And there's our test card right there. So we can select that and then we can confirm charge. Oh, description. This is a test. Confirm. Now you're going to see that test charge right there and it's automatically charged my test card. Okay, so that is another quick way. If you already have the card on file, you can then charge the cards accordingly that way. Now, next up, let's create a subscription. You're going to select a subscription-based product, which is our CRM split pay option product right here. You're going to start the billing date of the 28th and you can then add coupon codes. You can use the saved cards or add a new card. We need to go into test mode to use our 424242 card. So there we go. Select the card and we can schedule and start the subscription. So again, this makes it really, really easy for you to upgrade people's subscriptions. You can downgrade people's subscriptions. You can add new subscriptions. You can charge them for X, Y, and Z thing. You can take deposits. You can do all sorts of this kind of stuff directly from the contacts tab, which is really, really handy. And then the last one is to create an invoice, which is going to take you right to the invoicing page. It's going to auto-populate all of their billing information, and then you can set up the invoice the same way that we did in the previous video for invoicing. So there you go, guys. There is all of the cool things that you can do from the contacts tab in order to collect payment and grab information for your customers, start subscriptions, sell products, do whatever you want to do. They have made it very, very easy to take payments in this software. Hey guys, I hope you found that video useful and helpful for you getting your company set up in Highlevel and getting your white label started with the Highlevel ecosystem. Now, if you're just starting out your journey in the Highlevel ecosystem, or maybe you're even an intermediate, or consider yourself an expert that just wants to know a little bit more about the Highlevel platform and how you can leverage it, I would encourage you to go and click the link in the description below this video and hop into our GHL Mastery program. What do we do inside of our GHL Mastery program? Well, we have 5 calls every single day of the week, Monday through Friday, for 2 hours a day, where we actually help you get into your system, help you build, help you troubleshoot, and just overall help elevate your overall skill set on the Highlevel platform. So if you're interested in getting hands-on every single day support, plus a couple of bonus goodies, snapshots, AI systems, the like, then go ahead and click the link below to join our GHL Mastery VIP group. And I promise you, you will learn more in 1 month than you will in 6 months doing this on your own. We will see you in the next one. Take care.